Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be doing a quick review on some upgraded pull chains that I bought for my fans up there. So these are the old style beaded ball pull chains, and it has usually a little fan looking emblem like this one here and one with a bulb. I actually upgraded them to these right here. And if you want to check these out, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you. I actually bought these on Amazon. So this is the price that I paid for each set. So you get 2 in one order, and I paid about $6 for it on Amazon Prime. It's really nice because you get 2 of these chains here. One is for the bulb and then one is for the fan. This one here is actually about 12 inches each. So as you can see here, it's about 12 inches. And you also get an extension, 2 of these as well, for 24 inches total. So you can extend each one of these to 24 inches in total length. As a point of reference, I use a quarter here so you can see how big the little light bulb and the fan is. And I'm about to show you right now what it looks like actually on the fans. But if you want to adjust the size of these lengths here, you can actually cut them with these scissors or some wire cutters. For example, here, if I want to cut off maybe 2 inches off of this one here, you just use some scissors, chop it off. And all you'll need is this little end right here to be able to attach it onto your existing one. So let's go over here really quick and I'll show you what this one looks like here. I've already done this one. And as you can see here, this is the fan one. And it's pretty neat, you can actually spin it. But anyways, this one over here is the bulb. It's really neat, gives it a nice little touch, looks really cool. So here's a quick comparison of the original pull chains right here, the fan on the left and the light bulb on the right. And this is the upgraded ones right here. So total install time is only probably about a minute or 2. I mean, you're really just detaching it right here and reattaching it. It may take more time if you just have to cut them really quick to get the right length that you desire, but it comes in a variety of different colors and different styles. Again, this one is a silver, and you can also get it in a gold and a bronze. You can check out all the different varieties down in the description below. So here's a master bedroom, and this is an example of one where I just basically took the chain and just stuck it up on there. I didn't have to cut anything because the fan is really high up there. In order for me to reach it, I have to just keep the standard length on there. So if you look at it, all I did was detach the old one that was right there and install the full length 12-inch one right there for the light. And then that's the one for the fan right there. And that's it. That only took like maybe a minute. So if you want to check these out, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.